So this is a Kano prototype Raspberry Pi robot. So who are you?
I'm Matthew, and I'm the creator of Steve, the robot.
And you are?
I'm Alex. I'm one of the creators of Kano, this thing where we are.
Where you're messing with the Raspberry Pi and coming up with this kit. There's the kit. But this is a side project, so Alex, take us through it. What have you done?
So all I've done is taken one of our kits and one of our old prototype boxes, which we've got lots of, and I wanted to come up with something fun to do with it. So inside this box, if I open it up,
Wow.
It's super simple. This is just a normal battery you can get off the high street, and then this is where the magic's really happening.
There's the Raspberry Pi.
So the Raspberry Pi that everyone's familiar with is here, and on the top is our prototype board. The reason it's so much better than all the other boards out there at the moment is the interface. It's 2 pins for an output, 4 pins for an input, so you can't get this wrong. It integrates with Python, but more importantly, it actually works with Scratch. So you can just use all the tools you're familiar with.
All credit for this. Excuse me, right now. For this wonderful prototype board goes to the guys at the Stanford Fab Lab, Paolo and Roger. Wonderful device, amazingly accessible, easy to use, simple, and gets you making with hardware right away.
And what's going on the computer?
Matthew's the inventor. Let him speak.
So it's actually really interesting. I didn't know Python before about 2 weeks ago. I just started fiddling around with it, wrote a couple of scripts, and I built prototypes. This is the 3rd revision, and all it is a small script that you can use the arrow keys to control it with.
And how is that talking to that?
So this is the real power of the Raspberry Pi and the Kano kit in general, is because it's actually a fully fledged computer inside, full Linux, you can talk to it using Wi-Fi. So this is connected to our network, my computer's connected to the network, and I've simply tapped in, put my details in, and I'm running a program remotely.
And just put them down?
Yeah, there it is.
And this could be, well, we're a long way away, but this could be a kit that kids eventually could use.
Exactly,
Yeah.
and that's where we're heading with
There's
it.
a little sneak peek just for Rory.
Yeah.